How can sterile parts be safely transferred into and out of barrier systems?
Castus, your specialist for flexible transfer solutions. Whatever you want to transfer into or out of the isolator contamination-free, we will support you. Modular design, freely selectable handle position, variable standing basket that can also be used as a handle and filter protection. All containers completely electro-polished, length flexible up to 1.5 meters. Discover our transfer containers for applications with the highest requirements.
Schedule a free session and get answers to any questions you may have.